Add some zaniness to your videos with AR Doodle. First, open the Camera app and tap More. Tap AR Zone, and then tap AR Doodle. Tap the circle to switch between the selfie and rear-facing cameras. Next, choose a pen or art tool. Then select a color. Use an S Pen or your finger to draw on the camera's selected area. When you're done drawing, type in some text and add a GIF for some extra decoration. Now, tap the record icon to record a video of your AR drawing. You can also doodle while you record. Find your video in the gallery when you're done.